When it comes to design, companies often showcase only the final outcome. Tight layouts, polished visuals, and bespoke renders seem to be the norm. But what's design really made of? The processes and iterations, the chaos and decisions, collaboration and communication. There's a story in between. We wanted to create a unique space deprived of perfectionism, an unusual web platform where many unfinished projects, failed concepts, abandoned ideas, tips, and lessons learned can find their place under the sun. The process of finding the right solution is messy. There are many ups and downs to designers' work. Why not show it? Let's encourage and inspire the community and change the norms for upcoming generations. Let's break the invisible borders between agencies, studios, employees, and students. Let's organize workshops, meetups, interviews together. Getting to the islands was not easy. Through heavy design explorations, we finally managed to find our way. The platform is messy, as the process itself usually is. It enables visitors to explore the content indefinitely. Through quests and gems, you can find out more about different topics. Since the Design Island launched, we've had more than 25,000 visitors to the site. We also organized a meetup, and more than 100 people from various disciplines attended. The ton of feedback we received from the community tells us we have successfully opened our doors. Now climb aboard your browser screen and pay a visit to our resource-packed platform. Design Islands are yours to explore.